Hey everyone, I wanted to share a really cool use case for AI and for vibe coding specifically. So anyone who writes SEO pieces, does SEO in general, knows that building internal links can take a lot of time. Not only do you have to compile the links and find them, but you've also got to manually, add them to a document or whatever, and it can take up quite a lot of time. So I was looking for tools that could help, and I won't mention their name, but I had a demo, I inquired, and the best they could do was like $200 a month, and it could do 15 links a month, which at the level we're at with all the clients we have, that would just not go very far. So I was like, look, I'm going to try and build our own thing. This was built with Lovable. It's called Linkbot, and it's pretty straightforward and really cool. So the way it works is you have your article. So I took one of our most recent pieces here as an example. You paste it, and then make sure that the sitemap for the website is selected. We've got all of our clients here, but if this were public, obviously you'd have your own website, and then you click on generate suggestions. And this takes about 20 seconds, so I'll just put pause. All right, so it's now generated some suggestions, so let's take a look. You start off by clicking on next, and it'll just take you to all of these suggestions. So this one looks good, this one doesn't make sense. Yeah, this one makes sense. This one does. And it'll just take you through each of the suggestions one by one. And it's really straightforward. So far we've set it to 10 links, but obviously that can be changed. And then go all the way to the bottom and you just click on copy post, go back to your Google Doc, delete, and add it back in. And that's it. That's the same. It's kept all the formatting and everything. And you've now got the links added. So just like that, I built this over a weekend, and now this has already helped the team save like multiple hours of work, which is really exciting. And I think such a great example of how AI can really speed things up. A few things that I'm working on, if you're curious, I would eventually like to turn this into a Google add-on. So, you're writing your article here and it just adds the suggestions on the right. Another thing that I'm working on is potentially for it to suggest orphaned pages or really make it clear which pages have not been linked to before, and therefore, they take priority. But yeah, for example, in the formatting, it copy and pastes the images, which you can see here. So far, this is already saving quite a bit of time. And I'm really excited. And there's already a few other apps and tools that I'm developing because this has saved us quite a bit of time already. If you would like access to it or you would want a tool like this, let me know because I might make a public version.